Hey, what's up guys? In this video today we compare two best smartphones, which is Asus Zenfone 10 versus Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So let's see the full comparison video. Now for display comparison, display type, display resolution, display size, PPI density, always on display, aspect ratio, refresh rate, screen to body ratio, screen protection. Now for storage comparison, has memory, has RAM, card slot. Now for design comparison, has weight, has dimensions, SIM slot, has colors. Now for platform comparison, has chipset, CPU, graphic processing unit, operating system. Now for main and selfie camera comparison, main camera megapixel, main second camera megapixel, main third camera megapixel, has flash, selfie camera megapixel. Now for connectivity comparison, has Wi-Fi, has Bluetooth, positioning, has NFC, USB connectivity. Now for battery comparison, has battery type, battery capacity, battery fast charging. Now for sound comparison, has stereo speaker, 3.5 mm jack. Now for sensors comparison, accelerometer, gyroscope, compass, proximity, fingerprint. Now for features comparison, has announcement, network type. Now for price comparison, has price USD. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and make sure to subscribe. Gatgets compare.